Hello everyone, my name is Gifty, your regular chef. Welcome to my channel, The Dice Delight. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious garlic butter beef. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram, The Dice Delight, and on TikTok, The Dice Delight. So here I have my beef, which I'm ready to slice into cube sizes. You can choose to cut it any sizes that you want, because I want it to be in smaller bites. And please don't forget to comment down below if you want me to do any new recipes. So here I'm using the sirloin beef. You can choose to use any part of the beef that you want. You can even use lamb, you can use mushroom, you can use chicken. So this is how our beef look like after cutting it. Look at that, it looks so fresh. So now we're going to season our beef and set it aside for later. So you season it for about 30 minutes to an hour. You can even leave it the next day as well. So I added my fresh rosemary, some chili, cayenne pepper, and some baking soda to tenderize the meat and make it more tender and juicy. Some all-purpose seasoning as well. And we're going to mix everything aside and leave it for later. Please don't forget to like this video. Thank you. So whilst our meat is marinating, we're going to prep our vegetables for our beef. So here I have my garlic, which I'm going to slice. You can choose to grate it, you can choose to mash it as well. So you're going to use more garlic. If you don't want more garlic, I use less. So I'm using some red onion, some carrot, some green chilies, some bell pepper, which is red, and I'm using carrot and some spring onion, and with some fresh ginger as well. So we're going to set this aside and start with our beef bite. You can choose to add extra vegetables if you want as well, but with this recipe you're going to use more garlic and more butter. So to start with our garlic beef, on a high heat I have my butter. I'm using unsalted butter, and I added my garlic and ginger to infuse the butter to make it more flavorful. And then we're going to add our beef bite and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And make sure it doesn't burn, so make sure you stir it regularly. And please make sure if any water comes out, make sure it drains out, and make sure it tastes very nice and flavorful. So as you can see, our beef is ready and look tender and juicy. So we're going to set it aside and start cooking our vegetables. So now we're going to start cooking our vegetables. On a high heat I added my butter, and I'm going to add my vegetables, the sliced vegetables we did, and I'm going to add a bit of sugar to release the sweetness of the vegetables to make our garlic beef very tasty and delicious. So we're going to cook it for about a minute or two because you want it a bit crunchy as well. So we're going to add our beef, mix everything together for about 2 minutes, and we're going to set it aside. And this is how our garlic beef is ready and juicy. You can have this with some rice, you can have this with some pasta, some noodles. I'm telling you, this recipe is delicious and quick and very, very tasty. So as you can see, our garlic beef is ready, and I'm ready to serve myself with some rice. I'm telling you, this is so flavorful and so tasty and so juicy. I'm telling you, you need to try this recipe out. Thank you to all my lovely subscribers and viewers. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to comment down below. Bye bye.